space, less than 2 blocks from the waterfront. So you can see when we walk in here, opens to this beautiful living room with the kitchen around the corner. Comfortable space to wind down at the end of the long day in the sun. We have our smart TV. You can log into any of your apps. 2-bedroom condo to fit a small family. Here's your queen bedroom. Some of our standards that we have in all of our units are the sanitization, so you can know that we have been in here and cleaned and done so at the best standards possible so you can be comfortable. We have some hotel amenities in case you forgot something to tide you over in the first couple nights of your stay, or if you're here for a short weekend. We have our gift to you, stocked kitchens, everything you need to be comfortable for your week-long stay here in Virginia Beach.